In this 4-part tutorial series, I'll show you how to create this rusty fire hydrant in Blender. So this is a paid only course, so it will not be on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to purchase the course, you can find the product links in the description. And we'll be using the Cycles rendering engine in this tutorial because we are going for realism, and the total course video runtime is 1 hour and 23 minutes. And this tutorial series is great for beginner or intermediate users. The entire course is step by step and in real time. Now, if you're a complete beginner to Blender and you've never used Blender before, then I would recommend watching some sort of beginner tutorial series, like my Blender for Complete Beginners tutorial series on my YouTube channel. But as long as you know the basic workflows and basic shortcut keys and some basic modeling, you can definitely follow along with the tutorial. So in part 1, we will be modeling the fire hydrant. And then in part 2, we're going to set up some basic lighting, and then we're going to create a procedural material setup, and we're going to be making some procedural materials for the painted metal, also the metal, and then also the rust. Then in part 3, we're going to be doing the UV unwrapping, and then we'll be texture painting where we want the rust to be on the fire hydrant and where we want the painted wear to be on the fire hydrant. And I'll be showing you a cool node setup to make the texture painting more detailed, and so we can paint away where we want the painted wear to be to see the metal underneath the paint. We can also paint on the fire hydrant where we want the rust to show up on the model. And then in part 4, we'll be modeling the chains, and we'll be making the chains hang down from the fire hydrant, and we'll be adding some materials to those chains, and then we'll finish the lighting, and we'll render the scene and do a little bit of compositing to get the finished image. And as well as getting all 4 video tutorials, you'll also get the finished project files, so you'll get the finished Blender file, you'll also get the textures, the HDRI lighting, and also the final render. So you can purchase the course with the links in the description on my Gumroad store and the Blender Market. You can also get access to it by joining one of my Patreon memberships, and it will also be on some other online marketplaces. And if you have any questions about the course, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'll answer any questions. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the course.